Wish. Wish. To want something to happen or to have something. I wish I could go to the concert. I wish to travel to new places. Aspire. Aspire. To have a strong desire to achieve something. She aspires to be a doctor one day. He aspires to win a gold medal. Strive. Strive. To make a great effort to achieve something. He strives to do well in his studies. We strive for a better future. Pursue. Pursue. To follow or chase after something. They decided to pursue their dreams of traveling the world. She plans to pursue higher education. Achieve. Achieve. To successfully reach a goal or complete something. She worked hard to achieve her goals. They want to achieve their dreams together. Succeed. Succeed. To do well or accomplish something. If you study hard, you will succeed in school. I believe you can succeed in this exam. Help. Help. To assist someone or make things easier for them. Can you help me with my homework? I need help with my chores. Assist. Assist. To give support or aid to someone. The nurse will assist the doctor during the surgery. The guide will assist us on the tour. Support. Support. To provide encouragement or help to someone. Friends should support each other in tough times. We support each other during tough times. Encourage. Encourage. To give someone confidence or hope. My coach always encourages me to do my best. Parents encourage their children to study. Comfort. Comfort. To make someone feel better when they are sad or upset. She tried to comfort her friend after the bad news. A good book can comfort you on a rainy day. Console. Console. To provide solace or comfort to someone in distress. He consoled her after she lost her pet. Friends console each other in hard times. Volunteer. Volunteer. To offer to do something without being paid. I will volunteer at the animal shelter this weekend. She decided to volunteer at the hospital. Donate. Donate. To give something, usually money or goods, to help others. They decided to donate clothes to those in need. He plans to donate money to the cause. Serve. Serve. To provide a service or help to someone. The waiter will serve our food shortly. The volunteers serve meals to those in need. Protect. Protect. To keep someone or something safe from harm. Parents protect their children from harm. Parents protect their children from danger. Defend. Defend. To protect someone or something from attack or harm. He will defend his friend in a difficult situation. She will defend her ideas in the meeting. Preserve. Preserve. To keep something safe or in good condition. We need to preserve our natural resources. It's important to preserve wildlife. Contribute. Contribute. To give something, such as money or time, to help a cause. Everyone should contribute to the project. I want to contribute to the community. Participate. Participate. To take part in an activity or event. I want to participate in the school play. He loves to participate in sports events.